back to the channel, guys, real quick.
Ooh, welcome, man. Oh, here it is, right here. Right here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all recognize this? Chrysler Pacifica. No, guys, not the minivan. Remember the Pacifica? That was a version of the Pacifica back, came out in 04. I think it hung around to 08, maybe. And then, of course, we didn't hear nothing from the brand Pacifica until 2017 when it showed up looking like a minivan. It showed back up looking like a minivan, okay? So in 2017 through current, there's a minivan version of the Pacifica. This is the old body style Pacifica. I have one of these. They did well, guys. The thinking was, let's build a Jeep / minivan. A lot of people didn't want the soccer mom looking van, but they wanted a vehicle with just as much room that appeared to look like a Jeep. So they made a Jeep and a minivan into one body style, and they came out with the Pacifica. It did good for them back in that time frame, during that era. It did very well. All right, why is this in? Why are we here, JT? Noise, supposedly. I don't know. I guess we about to find out. Noise when running, they say up there under the engine area. So before I take it in, I'm gonna see if I can duplicate it. Let's start it up. Well, turn all this off. I don't hear nothing out of the ordinary. Oh, take that back. I do hear something out of the ordinary. Let's see if we can visually see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, guys. Y'all hear that? Something, hold on, let me move this cover. Already moved. All right, guys. From the looks of this and the sound of this, look like the alternator bearing is shot. And based on the appearance of, see all this brown stuff around in this area? See how that pulley bouncing around? Very well could be, oh yeah, you can feel the, oh man. Let me turn it off. That's a no-no, guys. These battery clamps. All right, make sure, if you're gonna do that, make sure it's tight. Let me shut this down. Okay, that was excessively loud. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like the noise coming from the alternator, guys, but oh yeah, it's headed. Y'all can't see it, but I can feel the, and like I say, all this debris right here, the bearing, the sun is blocking my good view, guys. Yeah, that alternator coming apart. Now, what I'm gonna do, because remember I told y'all in the last video, I highly suggest you remove the belt and see if the noise go away. If the noise goes away, then yeah, you know, we chasing, the noise is likely one of the accessories. Whatever this belt operates, when you remove the belt and the noise go away, the problem is whatever the belt was rotating, turning, okay? So I still have to go in the shop and go through the motions, guys. I'm gonna give them an hour of diagnosing and looking over their car. This is a timing belt driven engine. We're gonna take a look at that. I didn't take a peek at the mileage, but I gotta take it in the shop and look it over completely. I'm not just gonna write up alternator right here because I see that. That could very well be the problem, but we're gonna go through the motions and the steps like you're supposed to. All right, so I tell y'all what, hold tight, man. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Finally got approval to work on this thing. Remember, this is the one that wouldn't start. I'm not getting the brake input switch from the brake switch simply because the ABS module is dead. All right, yes, it's dead on the bus. The only way to get that back up, so I got to replace the module. They finally approved it. It's been sitting here for a while, so they got to get this thing pushed in the shop because it won't start. Can I simulate brake input? No, guys. I tried to jump it off, but It's looking for too many. Remember, the ABS modules on CAN C, so CAN C is crucial. CAN C and the PCM, when one of those go down, the car go down. All right, so y'all keep that in mind. So, but we about to push this thing inside, and I can't remove the shift override, so I'm going to get my jump box so I can put power supply to it. All right, guys, check this out. I still couldn't get it in the neutral override, even with power supply, because remember, I'm not getting a brake input, and that's what this is looking for. So I had to cheat and go to the shift override lever. See that orange thing down there? Just got to press on that. Now I'm in neutral. Let's get it inside. Ooh, righty, guys. Y'all see that Grand Cherokee? I want to show y'all something. I'm chasing an oil leak, guys. This one's hard to find. Now, there's some things. It don't matter how long you've been doing some things. There's still some shockers that you didn't know, and this is one of them. All right, now I didn't clean up, brake clean all over here. I had oil over this pan, but in order to pimp, it's not higher than the pan, which means it's right at the pan. Right, if you got an oil leak that's higher than its source, that means the oil leak is it's right here in the area that you're looking at. Now here's what I didn't know. Plastic, guys. Freaking oil pan made of plastic. Okay, now also it has to be, this little strip right here has to be a crack. I cleaned all of that off. This is where I'm forming right here. Okay, so anytime you face with that, guys, now stress crack is hard to see with the naked eye. All right, so clean it all off, which is what I did. I don't know, a day later, the next day I came in, it's drip right here. So it's got a crack right here. Plastic oil pan, go figure.
Listen to all my subscribers, man. If I catch y'all doing this, man, this is a no-no, ladies and gentlemen. You should not be using silicone to help seal these gaskets. They stand out on their own. They will provide their own sealing purposes. Here are new gaskets right here. These are what you should be using. Part numbers are right there. Please do not use silicone to help seal a lower intake manifold. As you can see, that's the lower intake manifold. Let's flip this thing over and take a look at the top. Same thing happened on the top, ladies and gentlemen. That is a no-no. You would cause more problems. As you see right there, that gasket right there is breaking. So you would cause more harm than good when you do this. All right, so please do not do that. The correct parts are not that expensive at all. In fact, they are inexpensive. All right, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Hashtag short, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get these brake parts for this Durango I'm working on doing the AC. Yes, she called back and said go ahead and do the brakes. Well, anyway, I ordered the brakes online, guys, so I'm gonna go in here and see how fast. They say it should be ready in 30 minutes. We're gonna find out, because I ordered them 30 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go in here and see if they ready. Let's get it. What's up, man? No brake pads up. Oh, come on, man. The website said should be ready in 30 minutes. All right, guys, it wasn't quite 30 minutes, but that'll have to do. Now I got a lot of work to do, guys. I got to put the brakes on this thing and fix the AC, man. Y'all stay tuned. Hashtag short.